Gotonomi is a technology provider, and we are eager to support the industry as we approach scale. We've manufactured 160 terminals to date, and they are on evaluation and in commercial service with key customers, key partners. We've manufactured all of those at our facilities at TTP, the Technology Partnership in Cambridge, but that is not viable for scale. So we're now working with a contract electronics manufacturer based in the UK to be able to approach scale of 1,000, 5,000 units a year. And if scale goes beyond that, that company has sites in India, the Americas and Brazil to enable scale of manufacture in those territories. So Gotonomi is at a point in its lifetime where we are very keen to support key partners going through their own evaluation, their own development of technology, but we also have platforms where drone operators who have proven the efficacy of our system, they like the low size, weight, power and cost of the Gotonomi Valaris terminals, they're now selling on our behalf. So Air 6 Systems, who you see here today, we are providing them with an option for a SATCOM enabled drone, and they're selling in the marketplace today for commercial operations. Yeah, so we are fully aware that there's multiple communication platforms that operators can choose, and that is great because it's great for competition. So a key differentiator for the Viasat Valaris network is 200 kilobit per second on a background service. This allows transmission of both C2 data and payload data. And key today was the fact that we demonstrated twice real-time video transmission over the Gotonomi Valaris terminal. So some satellite providers do not have that bandwidth. Clearly, there is a satellite provider who provides a lot of bandwidth, but they are also a supplier to consumers. We are not in the consumer market. We are delighted to benefit from Viasat and what was Inmarsat's legacy of providing safety critical services to maritime and the commercial aviation sector over decades of service. So that is what operators in this market can then rely on.